Are you ready to discover the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin? Are you tired of missing out on crypto gains? These three altcoins could be your golden ticket, as they are poised to deliver astronomical returns in the 2024 bull run. Forget about the top 10 coins. These three underdogs are the real keys to crypto riches. Based on rigorous analysis, these three altcoins show extraordinary growth indicators, and internal projections suggest that they are primed for explosive price action. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But please do note that this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so always do your own due diligence before investing. The first secret altcoin in our today's list is SUI. SUI is a layer 1 blockchain that emerged from Meta's, formerly Facebook, blockchain initiatives. Initially conceived as part of ambitious project Libra, the project faced regulatory challenges and underwent several transformations. Eventually, key members left Meta to form Miston Labs, which developed the SUI blockchain. SUI distinguishes itself through its focus on the scalability, speed, and the user experience. SUI boasts impressive transaction speeds and low latency, enabling efficient and cost-effective operations. The network can handle a large number of transactions without compromising performance, making it suitable for mass adoption. SUI prioritizes user-friendliness with features like ZK login, simplifying the onboarding processes for Web3 users. The SUI token plays a crucial role in the SUI ecosystem. It serves as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a governance token. Token holders can participate in staking, earning rewards while contributing to network security. Additionally, SUI token holders have a say in the network's future through governance mechanisms. Since its mainnet launch, SUI has experienced rapid growth, surpassing significant milestones in terms of active addresses and total value locked. Strategic partnerships and a focus on ecosystem development have contributed to its success. Currently, SUI is down 65%, but with a strong community and staking power. On number 2, we have the Akash Network or AKT token, which skyrocketed 30x from $0.20 to over $6. Right now, it is at a 40% dip, which makes it a prime buy. AKT is fueled by NVIDIA chip demand for AI and crypto, a market category booming in this bull cycle. Akash Network is a decentralized marketplace for cloud computing resources. It functions like an Airbnb for data centers, connecting providers with excess computing power to tenants seeking affordable, flexible, and secure cloud services. The network operates on open source principles and fosters a strong community. The AKT token is the backbone of the Akash ecosystem. It serves as a currency for transactions, secures the network through staking, and grants governance rights to holders. AKT 2.0 is a significant upgrade, introducing new features like take and make fees, stable payment options, and incentive pools to stimulate network growth and the development. On number 3, we have Astar, which is currently facing a 60% drop, but that's what's making it a prime buy. It is a scalable and interoperable infrastructure for Web3 that powers multi-chain smart contracts with Polkadot and EVMs. It solves problems like interoperability, adding smart contract support where it is needed, and by providing EVM support. Its native token Astar has its own benefits. It allows users to build their two apps. Users can stake Astar to earn rewards, and they get governance rights. All these three coins are major players in the industry, but are facing massive dips due to market fluctuation, which makes them secret altcoins once the market stabilizes and altcoin rally starts. If you like today's list, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one shortly.